Bob Hope once said, "If you watch a game, it's fun. If you play it, it's recreation. If you work at it, it's golf." Welcome to 2965 Briarcliff Road, where working at the game is in your backyard. Located on 4 acres in the heart of Mountain Brook, this home has a 3-hole golf course with bent grass greens, a backyard that could shave strokes off your score, and a home that meets the standard of your local country club. This 2011 Decorator Showhouse has every amenity for luxurious living. It's a home built for an active family, swimming, golfing, or hiking on your own property. The rooms are spacious and grand. Invite hundreds of your closest friends for a party. There is room for everyone. There's even parking for your guests. Of course, everyone eventually gathers in the kitchen, and there is plenty of room for all to mingle with the cook. Yet it's warm and inviting for a nice family meal. Even if you aren't the avid golfer, the view from the home is spectacular. But if this property appeals to your sense of sport, practice makes perfect. Well, as close to perfect as you can get in the game of golf.